brownie and it makes you sick. How can we use this brownie to tell exactly what ingredient got you sick and where it came from? That's what genome tracking is. A genome has all the DNA or genetic information about a specific organism. Genomes can tell you what species an organism is and where it came from. The FDA uses genome tracking to help stop the spread of foodborne illnesses, like the one you got from this brownie. Foodborne illnesses can affect pets too. The FDA not only uses genome tracking to stop the spread of foodborne illnesses in human food, but in pet food as well. Nearly 100 labs all over the world have collaborated to sequence or write down the DNA of bacteria, viruses, and pathogens that are responsible for causing these foodborne illness outbreaks. In order to do this, labs take a sample of the virus, pathogen, or bacteria that they want to see the DNA of, then use Illumina brand technology to transfer the genomic data to an online database called GenBank. Right now, GenBank has 500 full genomes and millions of partial ones. It's all publicly accessible online. You can look at it yourself right now. Plus, it gets updated regularly, so new genomes are always being added to make the database more complete and accurate. So what does the FDA do with this genome data? Well, when there's a foodborne illness outbreak, the FDA takes a sample of the contaminated food and compares it with the genomes in GenBank. This helps them determine what specific pathogen is causing the illness. It could even help them determine what specific farm the contaminated ingredient was grown in. This helps the FDA issue recalls of the contaminated product, where stores pull the product off the shelves and news outlets inform customers about the contamination. The FDA also issues warnings to farms and shipping facilities that are causing the contamination in the first place. All of this is done to ensure that foodborne illness outbreaks affect the least amount of people possible, and that future outbreaks are less likely to occur. Genome tracking has helped the FDA take 1,332 actions towards stopping the spread of foodborne illness outbreaks. They've stopped outbreaks such as Salmonella, E. coli, Listeria, even COVID-19. It's also saved the country a lot of money, too. Fewer people have gotten sick and had to pay steep hospital bills. It's estimated that genome tracking has saved the country hundreds of millions of dollars per year since the program was started in 2013. And it will continue to save the country billions of dollars as the program continues to be used. Thank you, Genome Tracking, for helping keeping America safe and economically sound.